In this video, we're going to see how we can create Revit families. So as I've said before, in the very early parts of the course, we have the model creations and then the family creations. You can either open it or you can create it. So let's create our new family by clicking on the new. Once you create it, you can choose the appropriate templates library that you want to use, and then from here you can find several categories of different families, the templates for the different families. So you have column families, you have curtain panel families, and whatnot. So let's say the type of family, the category of family that you want to create is not here. In that case, what you can do is you can start with the generic model. So there are various kinds of generic models that you can see here. We're going to go with the basic generic model, and we'll see how we can go from there. Okay, so I'm selecting the generic model and then I'm going to open it. Okay, it's opening. Okay, once I have opened the model, what we can do is, let's say I want to create a table family here. So since I want to create a table family, what I can do is I can come over here in the create tab in the properties panel. You have the family category option. So you just go there and you can just select the category you want to select. So we could have started with the let's say a table family, but instead of doing that, we had started with a generic family, and now in the family category and parameters, we're going to select, let's say we're going to go with furniture. So what's going to happen here is that once we select furniture for this particular category, families category, it's going to assign the schedule created of the furniture category will then apply to this family. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to click on OK, and there we go, it's applied. Right, so that was it for this video, and we're going to continue on from the next one.